Today we're checking out a few travel essentials from BagsMart, which I'm very excited about. I don't know what it is, but these products made like a super strong impression on me when I first saw them, and I knew I wanted to have them on the channel to review. I know on this channel we usually talk about tech products, but there's something about like bags and carrying stuff with you that kind of fit with that. In fact, on this channel we talk about tech products that marry form and function. We like products that both improve our lives and look good while doing it. So if that sounds cool to you, please consider subscribing and like this video for more. I've got quite a few things to show you today, and I wanted to give a special shout out and thank you to BagsMart for sending us all of this stuff. If at any time during this video you want to check any of this out or purchase it for yourself, there will be a link in the description and we will try to get you all a discount as well. All right, so let's start with the star of the show, and that's this guy right here. This really interesting and cool backpack, which is brand new to BagsMart, and it is the Blast Mesh backpack because it has some mesh designs here, which I think are smart in certain places. This colorway is kind of like toned down. It's like a nice beige color. You'll see here in a little bit, like BagsMart has these really nice, aesthetically pleasing colors that like pop, but that aren't like annoying. They're like kind of pastel-y. And I think that's what most stuck out to me about all of this. And the same follows for these backpacks. Now, another thing that sort of carries across a lot of their products is this like material they're using. It's very lightweight, kind of meshy. I was curious in seeing pictures and stuff if it would seem cheap, but I think it's the opposite. I think this feels so sturdy while keeping things really light here. So another big thing that BagsMart is doing here is a lot of this sort of like expanded storage, and you'll kind of find that across their lineup, ways that you can take something and make it a little bit smaller with this, or a little bit larger if you need the added space. So for instance, this bag is a 28-liter capacity bag, but it can expand to 38 liters. It opens like a suitcase for easy packing, and actually inside it sort of mirrors a suitcase. It has a strap on it so you can sort of strap down your clothing. There's multiple compartments here, and in the back here you actually have sort of like a dedicated tech laptop sleeve, iPad sleeve place for that kind of stuff. And in the front you've got tons of pockets. There's a little place here for your cell phone to keep it close to your body while you're traveling. There's little hidden pockets that open towards your back again, which is great for traveling. There's like a mesh area here, which I wouldn't put anything super valuable here while traveling, but if you need something that needs to breathe a little bit, maybe even something that's wet, you can put it in that front pocket, give it some breathable air. Water bottle holder, which is absolutely massive. You can use it for umbrellas and stuff like that too. And then by way of like suitcase and travel, you can cinch all of this stuff down with these 4 pull tabs around the outside of the book bag, which is super helpful. The straps here aren't super thick, but I feel if you're carrying mostly clothing and not super heavy stuff, they do the job. Nice and breathable here, and you do have the suitcase handle pass through, which is also nice. Buckle in the front. And there's just so many access pouches and things like that. I think one of my favorites is this shoe compartment here, which sort of, let's see if we can open it. First of all, they have holes here so your shoes can breathe and not get super dingy and stinky. But you can slide your shoes up under there to keep them out of way and out of touch of your clothes, but still have a nice place for them to bring some extra sneakers or whatever on your trip. This is really exciting. I'm excited to use it on like weekender trips and maybe even some business conferences coming up where I don't need a full suitcase, but there's plenty of space here and it's expandable if I need it. Another thing, you've got the top handle here, but then also a side handle to carry more like a suitcase, for instance. TSA approved size, water resistant and durable, yet minimal all around. All right, so the next thing I want to feature here is the BagsMart Getaway luggage here, which of course has these super smooth wheels. Like it's kind of crazy how nice that feels. They got a good amount of rubber on them. They spin around. Glide Tech wheels is what they're called. I got, again, the minimal gray color here, but they do have pink and light blue and things like that. Again, they're not like gaudy highlighter colors. They're really nice. What I think is fun is like if you've got a family, you can each have kind of your own colors, and that goes across the board here. Maybe, you know, sis has the pink, blue goes for the brother, mom and dad have gray and maybe like a nice tan color. I don't know, but this piece of luggage is super lightweight. There is TSA approved locking here for the zippers, which is super nice, just so you make sure people aren't stealing your stuff. So the shell is polycarbonate and it is very durable, but also flexible enough and expandable so it can get jostled around in kind of the right ways, if that makes sense. So this is a 20-inch carry-on size, handle on the top, handle on the side, and you can use this zipper here to actually expand it as well. Inside, you got the zippered divider and straps to compress down your luggage as well. The handle is nice and sturdy. I mean, as sturdy as these things get. Very smooth and easy to maneuver around in an airport, on a train, on a bus, what have you. All right, next thing. Real talk, I've never been a huge fan of packing cubes, but they're so cool if you think about it. BagsMart, I mean, here's kind of showcasing some of their color options across their product line. A nice green color. Like I said, like this is just like nice. It's nice, it like pops and it has a vibe and a real brand to it, but it's not like gaudy or overwhelming. I also really love this little blast logo here that's on like the book bag and these as well. I think that's super nice. Same thing for the packing cubes, super durable, but like super lightweight as well. And they have this really interesting compression zipper here. So you kind of pack it with a ton of socks, for instance, and then you use the compression zipper to zip it all around. And of course, compress it down to a smaller size, throw that in, socks, underwear, shirts, pants. However you want to pack these, I think something cool as well is like, you know, if you do have a family and maybe like brothers are all this green color and you can get packs of these packing cubes all the same color. I went for sort of the variety here in case, you know, I need to quickly look in my bag and know like my shirts are packed in the green one, just grab that out and pull out my shirts and be ready there. I think color coding your packing is pretty interesting as well. Again, I'm not a huge person for packing cubes, but I know a lot of people love them, and I think that BagsMart has done them really well here. Again, same water-resistant material as the backpack, and you do get this kind of mesh here so you can look through and see what's in the cube. Overall, I'm really impressed with BagsMart. To be completely honest with you, when I saw these, I was a little concerned at like the quality of the products because the material did look lighter. I'd never heard of the brand before, but I know they recently went through a rebrand. They have their like main site set up now. They're one of the top sellers on Amazon, I think. I think they're popping into stores all around the country, United States that is. So, and anyway, don't overlook this company. I think the biggest thing about them is their prices are very reasonable. I think this here is like $80, $90 for this amazing backpack. This is like under $200. These are even cheaper than these. So definitely check the link in the description. They've got plenty of other options for luggage and packing as well. I think this stuff is stylish and functional, which of course we love on the channel. So thanks again to BagsMart for sending all this stuff out. I'm excited to use it next time we go on a family trip or next time I go to a business conference, which I actually have one coming up in April, I believe. So that'll be fun. Once again, links in the description and in the comment section. We'll try to get you a discount code as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please consider subscribing, like this video for more, watch this video next. I think you're gonna love it. And we'll see you all in the next one.